This is 7 National News, and in your top story, 60 Emiratis have received housing certificates from the Crown Prince of Fujairah, Sheikh Mohammed bin Hamad bin Mohammed Al Sharqi. The 60-house project in Al Siji, Fujairah was assisted by the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum humanitarian and charity establishment. The certificate presentation for the 60 Emiratis was attended by Ibrahim Bulmeha, the Cultural and Humanitarian Affairs Advisor to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, and Deputy Chairman of MBRHC. Eid al-Adha is expected to fall on October the 26th, according to the Fatwa Department of Islamic Affairs and Charitable Activities in Dubai. According to a local paper, Dr. Ahmed Abdulaziz Al-Haddad Mufti, the Managing Director at the Fatwa Department of Islamic Affairs and Charitable Activities in Dubai, stated that the first day of Eid al-Adha for the year 1433 Hijri and 2012 AD would most likely fall on Friday the October 26th, which corresponds to the 10th of Al-Hijjah. Government employees in the UAE would therefore begin their holidays on the 25th of October through to the 28th, while the public sector employees will return to work on the 29th of October. Private sector employees are to begin their holidays on Thursday the 25th and resume work on the Sunday the 28th of October. A fire broke out in a residential building in Dubai's T-Com area this morning, damaging at least 9 floors. The fire started at around 9 a.m. in the 13-story Saif Belhassa building behind the Grand Bellevue Hotel, according to a resident who lives in the area. According to a local daily, occupants heard screaming and shouting outside of the residence and added that debris fell from the building. After a quick evacuation of tenants, firefighters were able to control the blaze at around 10:30 a.m. Black smoke could also be seen billowing from the roof of the building. Police have cordoned off the area. The Al Manara Centre of the Dubai municipality is set to provide a number of new health services introduced by the Public Health and Safety Department. According to a local paper, the new services will include an assessment on cosmetics, personal care products, fragrances, health supplements, detergents, as well as disinfectants. In addition to these, the centre will also provide the registration of these products together with the municipality's consumer materials safety section. In what is expected to speed up recruitment of labour to GCC countries, trim costs and prevent the spread of infectious diseases, health centres in labour countries have completed the electronic linking process for medical fitness tests for labourers. With the completion of the first phase of the programme, applicants can log in or register their details online and then be informed by SMS on the date, time and venue for their medical evaluations, as stated in a local report. The second phase of the programme will start soon and will include fingerprinting and eye scans before applicants are called in for their fitness tests. A meeting was held this week in Dubai where health delegates were informed of these developments. Annually, some 1.7 million labourers are tested for infectious diseases in the GCC region, and this number is expected to decrease with the opening of the health centres in the labour exporting countries. Good news for Dubai motorists, as the Road and Transport Authority has announced that the Rashid Hospital tunnels are 82% complete. The construction includes 2-lane tunnels that head into the intersection of Al Riyadh Street with the extension of the floating bridge that is said to substantially ease congestion around Maktoum Bridge and Odmetha, according to officials. The road works are set to be complete by early next year and for the roads to be fully operational by mid-2013. Metha Bunudai, the CEO of RTA Traffic and Roads Agency, was quoted as saying that the project looks to ease traffic congestion in the vicinity of Rashid Hospital and Dubai Media Inc. in a bid to raise the capacity of streets in the area and to handle as many as 6,000 vehicles per hour. The Ministry of Environment and Water has put a temporary ban on importing all live birds from Mexico into the UAE. The decision comes off the back of issues relating to bird flu in Mexico, which includes the import of all live birds, including wild, poultry, and those for decorative purposes. The decision, however, has exempted poultry products that have been heat processed off the back of information from the World Organization for Animal Health regarding the registration of bird flu locations on Mexico. UAE residents are being given the opportunity to get rid of their unwanted items at a 10-day event titled The Market of Everything. A gallery home to the Al Surkal Avenue traffic is currently hosting the community flea market until the 13th of October. It brings together people who are looking to buy, sell, trade, rent, loan or donate anything from furniture and books to instruments and even pets. Tables have been set up indoors and the market will be open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. every day. There are also other events planned throughout the 2 weeks, such as painting, dance and film screenings to keep everyone fully entertained. Event organizers state that their main aim is to promote community involvement and support social sustainability through the exchange and recycling of belongings.
The Market of Everything is an initiative that we started at Traffic last year. We're in the third installment now, and it's an event that supports community involvement and social responsibility through the exchange of our belongings, actually. So the whole idea of the market is that you can buy, sell, trade, or donate anything from furniture, books, vintage clothes, accessories, pets, anything that comes to mind, really.